Next student, good morning to all. In this video, I am starting your last exercise, that is brush up once again. What is the meaning of brush up once again? It means that hold the exercise whatever you study, that is exercise 1A, 1B, 1C, 1D and 1E. There are 5 exercises. Now combined question are coming in this exercise. The question of all the 5 exercise for the revision purpose, we have to solve again in that brush up once again. So what is the first question? Your first question is, put the missing commas and write their number name to according to Indian place value chart. Okay, so I am remembering once again. How can you write Indian place value? Uh, how can we put the commas according to Indian place value? Okay, from the last, first we write the comma from the last 3 digit and then 2 digit and then 2 digit and so on. And in the international system, we have to put comma. How can we put? Like that one, first 3 digit, then again 3 digit, then again 3 digit. So in the international system, we put the commas 3 3 3 and Indian first 3, then 2 and then 2, like that one we have to write. So according to the Indian place value system, I put the comma 3 2 2. Now let's read 1 10 100 1000 10,000 lakh 10 lakh. It becomes 78 lakh 29,041. Simply you can write in words, nothing else. This question I am explaining exercise 1A also. One more question, you put the comma first 3 2 and 2. Now read 1 10 100 1000 10,000 lakh 10 lakh crore. It come crore. So write 9 crore 78 lakh 10,523. Okay, let's see part you have to do in homework. This is your homework, you can do it homework. Okay, now come on question number second. Put the missing commas to write their name according to the international place value system. Okay, as I told, in the international system, you have to put the comma after 3. And how can you read 1 10 100 1000 10,000 100,000, then million 10 million 100, like that one you have to read. So I am going to start 1 10 100 1000 10,000 100,000. So you can write 104,631. Simply you can write. Second one, it become 1 10 100 1000 10,000 100,000 million. So you can write 8,963,217. And the C part you have to do in homework. This question we have done in exercise 1A also. Okay, it is your revision only. Now here number name is given, you have to write in numeral form, or you can write in number form or digit form. 637,000. So you write here 637,248. Simple. 96 lakh and 800. Okay, when you write the period 1 10 100 1000 10,000 1 10 100 1000 10,000 lakh 10 lakh. Now it become 96 lakh when this period is over. Now 800, it means this period is over and this period is missing. 1 10 100 1000 10,000 100,000, this period is missing now, so we have to put 0 here. So how can we write? Just see here. 1, see here, 1 10 100 1000 10,000 lakh 10 lakh. So it become 96 lakh, 1000 is missing and become 830. 1000 is missing, so you have to put 20 here. Okay, nothing else. Now the C part, 1 million. So you have to write 1 here. 843, you put 843 here. 296 put here. Simply you can put nothing else. Million means it is directly international system, you have to put the comma after 3. 2 crore means Indian system. 2 crore 47 lakh 86,143. Simply you can write in word. 343 million international, 343 million. 29,000 100 is missing, you have to put 0 here. And 138 put here, nothing else. Now come on question number 4. Write the period and the place value of the encircled digit. You have to write the period and place value. Okay, it is 1 period, it is 1000 and it is lakh period. You put here lakh period. And for the place value, write first 4 here. Okay, and how many digits are there? 1 2 3 4 5 6. Simply write 60. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You get your answer. Okay. So for the place value, write the second digit, and how many digit behind it is write that 0 here. Okay. Like that one. 1 period, 1000 period, lakh period, now crore period. So that crore period here, and place value of 9, and how many digit are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Put 8 zeros here. Okay. International system again. Period of 4. What is the period? 1 period, 1000 period, and place value of 4. Just write the same 0 here. And what is the period? 1 period, 1000 period, million period. Million period you can write here. If you are have some doubt in the period, just start see the basic concept of exercise 1A and 1C. I am explaining all these concept with figure or with one table. The period is written there. If you have any doubt, you can follow that one, or you can watch the video again. Now come on our next for the place value. Write 1 here. How many digits? 0. Just write that 0 here. You get your answer. Write the predecessors of this. Predecessors means you have to subtract 1. As I told earlier, also subtract 1. What is predecessor? Just have to minus 1. When you subtract 730 minus 1, you get 737 here. In the last, remaining remains same. Okay. And what is the predecessor of that one? In the last, you have 9. When you minus 1, become 8 here. Nothing else. And remaining digit remains same. Successor means you have to add 1. So you add 1. 104 plus 1, you get 105. Remaining, that is same. And successor of 232 here last. Then add 1, you become 233. And remaining is same. So always remember, for the predecessor you have to subtract 1 or minus 1, and for the successor you have to add 1, or you have to write the next number. Write in expanded form. How can you write? Okay, just write first 3 here, and how many digits are there after 3? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then put 50 here. I am going to explain one more time. First write 3. How many digits? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Just write 50. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 plus 6. Here 50, then write 40. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then 2. How many digits are there? 4, 30. 1, 2, 3. And then 1. Put how many there? 2, 0. 0, write single, no problem. If digit, then write a 0, and 4 as it is. You get your answer. Okay. So 3, put the 0 as a digit behind 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then 6, 4. And then 2, 3. And 1, 2, 0 as it is. And then 4 single. In the same way, we can solve this one also. Okay. Now compare the following. Just see 9 same, 84 same. It is 260, it is 620. And 620 is greater, so you have to write less than here. 260 less than 620. Now 14, 32, 160 and 610. What is here? 610. It is 160. So it is less than 160, write less than here. Now 63, 60, 29, 810 here and 801 here. 810 is greater, so you have to put greater sign here. Okay. Come on, next one. 36, 44, 93, 39. 93 is greater than 39, so you have to put greater sign here. Okay. Now one number come here in that form, Roman numerals. First we have to convert. It is 50, then 10, 60, and then 7. It becomes 67, 50, 60, 70, then 77. So you tell 77, 67, which one is greater? 77. So it is less than. CM, it is 1000 and it is 100. Put on the left side, it become minus, so it become 900. And it is put right side, it plus, it become 1100. So it is less than. Okay. Now from the greatest